Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Substitution Worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet where we can practice substituting given values in certain formulae or equations, and we have to find the value of a particular pronumeral. So we'll be given all the pronumerals except one, and that's the value we have to find. So it's basically a simple case of substituting the given letters or the given pronumerals in each of the given equations to find the unknown pronumeral. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson. And there are very similar examples to this one in the lesson, and those examples will show you how to do each and every one of these problems here. So find the indicated pronumeral in each of the equations by performing the required substitution. So if we look at the first one, v equals u plus at, so that's the given formula or equation. Find the value of v when u equals 8, a equals 9.8 and t equals 5. This is a very, very famous equation in the area of physics, and you'll come across it later on in your schooling. So you have all the values you need, and that's the pronumeral you have to find. The next example, if s equals ut plus half at squared, find the value of s when u equals 9, t equals 6 and a equals 9.8. So it's exactly the same here. We need to find s, and we're given all the other values. Don't forget order of operations. That's very, very important. So sometimes you will need to be aware of the order of operations, which we've done this before, and you have to apply that rule. This is a very straightforward one, won't give you any trouble. Quite straightforward, because we have to find a. Over here, for number 4, we're given this formula here, and we have to find the positive value of w. Okay, it's important. The positive value. This is very straightforward because we have to find y, so we have to do a little bit of manipulation here, which is not that difficult. Once you substitute all the other letters in, you'll be left with 3y, and it's just like solving a normal equation. Just do the normal manipulation that we've learnt in the past. And finally, this one here, we have to find the letter a. Once you substitute m, c and b into the equation, you'll just have a left, and that's the value that you have to find. And just apply the normal rules we learnt earlier. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice substituting given values into an equation or a formula to find a particular value of a pronumeral. So there's one pronumeral that you'll always have to find the value of. That will be clearly indicated. So that's what this worksheet involves. Don't forget the link on the next slide. If you need help, just click on it and it will take you to the lesson.